All right, looks like I just found a third elevator here. This one looks a lot different from these two that I filmed over there. I don't know what kind of elevator this is, but we'll check it out. Oh, this looks like a service elevator to me. Wow, this one's small and tiny. Ooh, it's chilly in here. I think this is the freight elevator. Wow, look how small this thing is. Look at this. It's smaller than the passenger. All right, let's go back up to 2. Actually, I might go for one where I want to see that lantern. Great, it just left me. Oh great, it just left me down here. That lantern just lit up an entire room. Look at that. These are your fixtures. I think that might be the location. Gosh, that chime is so loud. I'll let you hear that again. All right, there it goes, and that's it.